What if the next person you see walking past you isn't human at all? Recently, a robot shocked the internet so much that people genuinely believed a real human was hiding inside it. This is Iron, XPeng's humanoid robot that went viral after the company literally cut it open on stage to prove it wasn't fake. Today, we're going inside the viral Iron robot everyone thought was human and exploring what this means for the future of technology. If you enjoy futuristic tech and mind-blowing innovations, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay until the end. What is Iron? Iron is a humanoid robot developed by XPeng, a Chinese technology company best known for its electric vehicles and advanced AI research. Unlike traditional industrial robots that are designed only for factories, Iron is built to look, move, and behave more like a human. XPeng created Iron as part of its long-term vision for smart mobility, artificial intelligence, and robotics working together. Iron is not controlled by a human operator. It moves autonomously using advanced AI systems, sensors, and machine learning models. This means it can understand its environment, make decisions, and respond in real time without someone guiding it remotely. The robot is designed to walk naturally, interact with objects, and eventually assist humans in real-world settings. What makes Iron different from many other robots is XPeng's focus on realism. This isn't just a machine that walks on two legs. It is an attempt to create a robot that feels familiar, approachable, and human-like in both appearance and movement. Iron's appearance. At first glance, Iron looks unsettlingly human. Its proportions closely match those of an adult person, from its height to the length of its arms and legs. This realistic body structure is one of the main reasons people believed it might be a human in disguise. Iron's outer layer resembles soft skin rather than hard metal or plastic. Instead of exposed wires or robotic joints, its design hides mechanical components beneath smooth surfaces. This gives it a clean and almost organic look, making it feel less like a machine and more like a living being. The robot's posture also plays a huge role in its realism. Iron stands upright with balanced weight distribution, similar to how humans naturally stand. Its walking motion avoids the stiff, jerky movements commonly seen in older humanoid robots. Instead, it takes smooth steps, adjusts its balance, and moves its arms in a way that feels natural. Even small details, like the way Iron turns its head or pauses before moving, contribute to the illusion. These subtle movements are carefully programmed to mimic human behavior, making it easy for viewers to forget they're looking at a robot. Iron up close. When Mashable reporter Amanda Yeo got rare access to a private demo, she was able to see Iron up close, and the experience was even more impressive than videos online. Standing near the robot, the human-like scale became impossible to ignore. Iron doesn't feel like a small prototype or a lab experiment. It feels like a presence. The soft outer material is designed to be touch-friendly and safer for human interaction. Unlike industrial robots that can be dangerous, Iron's build suggests it's meant to operate around people without causing harm. Sensors embedded throughout its body help it detect obstacles, understand spatial distances, and avoid collisions. Iron's movements during the demo were fully autonomous. It didn't rely on pre-recorded motions. Instead, it reacted dynamically to its surroundings. This means it could adjust its walking path, maintain balance on uneven surfaces, and respond naturally when conditions changed. Another key detail is Iron's internal AI system. XPeng has integrated advanced perception models that allow the robot to understand objects, human gestures, and spatial layouts. This makes Iron more than just a walking machine. It's a platform designed to learn, adapt, and improve over time. Why Iron went viral? Iron went viral for one major reason: people thought it was a human. During a public presentation, XPeng dramatically cut the robot open on stage to prove there was no person inside. This moment instantly spread across social media, shocking viewers and sparking intense debate. Many people commented that Iron moved too naturally to be a robot. Others felt uncomfortable watching it, describing an eerie feeling known as the Uncanny Valley, where something looks almost human but not quite. This emotional reaction helped fuel its viral success. Another reason for the virality was trust. In an age of deepfakes and staged content, viewers were skeptical. They believed the only way to prove authenticity was to physically open the robot. XPeng understood this skepticism and turned it into a powerful marketing moment. The viral spread wasn't just about shock value. It also reflected growing public interest in humanoid robots and AI. People are curious, excited, and scared about how close machines are getting to us. Iron became a symbol of that future arriving faster than expected. Why we keep making humanoids? One big question remains. Why do companies keep making robots that look like humans instead of designing completely different forms? The answer lies in how our world is built. Everything around us, from stairs to door handles, is designed for the human body. A humanoid robot can use these environments without major changes. Humanoid robots are also easier for humans to interact with. We naturally understand body language, gestures, and movement patterns that resemble our own. When a robot looks and moves like us, communication feels more intuitive. There is also a psychological aspect. People are more likely to trust and accept machines that feel familiar. A humanoid robot can appear less threatening and more approachable than a large mechanical device. However, this approach comes with challenges. The more human-like a robot becomes, the higher our expectations are. Small imperfections become more noticeable, and emotional reactions become stronger. Iron sits right at this boundary, showing both the promise and the discomfort of humanoid design. Iron is more than just a viral robot. It represents a turning point in how close artificial intelligence and robotics are getting to real human presence. XPeng didn't just build a machine that walks, they built something that made the world stop and question what's real. As humanoid robots continue to evolve, the line between human and machine will only get thinner. The real question isn't whether robots like Iron will exist in our future, but how ready we are to live alongside them. If this is what robots look like today, the future may arrive sooner than we expect.